Oh yeah, again, welcome guys. This is the boy Dennis here, and today I'm coming with a gram commission review. I'm going to talk about this product because it's a new software which is going to launch tomorrow around 9 a.m. EST, 9 a.m. EST time. So what is gram commission? Gram commission is a software or method which helps you to drive engaged buyers traffic to any product or any offer. It doesn't matter any niche that you are in. It's either fitness, health, any niche that you're promoting. So this software, it helps you to just drive great traffic to your Instagram account. So yeah, that's how it works. So I'm gonna go through it to the members area and show you everything how it works, So yeah, this is a sales page, and also I've created a bonus for you guys. This product is just $12.95. You just pay once, and here are some reviews that some people are just careful where they were using this product, and also there's just 3 setups. It's here to set up your gram commission on autopilot. Step number 1, you just grab a gram commissions, get your copy of gram commission, and follow the steps, the step-by-step training. Number 2, just download the software. Number 3, you just set up an autopilot, then you're good to go. But these are some kind of results that they've been getting. All these results. Yeah, so that's this. And also I've prepared a bonus for you guys. I just want to go through and show you. Okay, check down here. I think there's someone. This. I'll show you if it's the one. Okay, this is the bonus that I've created for you guys, as you can see. To get the gram commission, you can click to all this yellow button, then it's going to take you straight to the sales page. This sales page here, it's going to take you here, and any of these buttons going to just take you straight to the sales page. So this is the bonus that I've created for you. You're gonna watch a demo video here. Then bonus number 1 is hack on how to get this hidden free traffic method. This is a bonus that's gonna help you to get the free traffic. Bonus number 1. Bonus number 2 is underground. It's an underground tricks that's going to help you to get also free traffic. Bonus number 3 is it's a hiding method that I use on Pinterest to generate free traffic as well. Then the bonus number 4 is it's a quick start on how to start making money online. Those are the bonuses I've created. And the bonus number 5 is a vendor bonuses, all vendor bonuses that they're offering. So you're gonna get them there. And also to get these bonuses, you just once you buy, you're gonna just go here to the Warrior Plus down here. It's access affiliate bonuses. Once you've already purchased the product, then here you'll be able to get in your email address. Yeah, that's it, guys. So let's go to members area and show you everything on how it works, or step by step. So I think it's wrong. Let's go to the members area. I think it's here. Okay. Oh, no. Okay. Here it is. Okay, this is the members area. Once you buy a product, it's going to bring you here. The first thing, there's a welcome video here. I think this one. Then number 2, there's a commission platform where they're going to have it's going to help you how to set up Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and ClickBank in the right way. Then number 2 is where there's an Instagram setup. Instagram setup, there's how to set up Instagram in the correct way, and the killer logos and bios, which it grabs customers' attention to your product that you're promoting. It doesn't matter what you're promoting, anything. And also there is a marketing tools that they are using to drive more customers in your ring that you are trying to promote. And also there's a autopilot software. So I don't know how it is inside here, but anyway, you can go and check it out. I think all this because this software is an Instagram software which is going to allow you to drive crazy traffic in your promotion or affiliate link that you are trying to promote. So I think all these they are tools that they help to drive crazy traffic to your affiliate link. I think so. And also there's a bonus that vendors is trying to offer, which is bonus number 1. There's 5 ways to bank commission with a gram commission. Number 2, there's a real life case study. Then there's how to build 5K a month business in 20 days. They're going to teach on how to do that because they are using this software as well. They're using that method to generate 5K a month in 20 days. There's also inner side community group. They got a Facebook group, so you're gonna get an access to that. You can also upgrade to one of their upcoming launches. There's a Get Pack, there's Get Booster, there's a Get Empire, and Get Reseller. So that is, guys. I think you understand on how it works. This is a gram commission review. This is how it was for today, guys. I don't have anything to say. I think if you like it, smash a like button, share, and comment as well. And also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.